August 19, 1981. Two American F-14 Tomcats are on a routine patrol over the Mediterranean. They have no idea that in less than 60 seconds, they're about to make history. To understand what happens next, you need to go back 8 years, 1973. Libyan dictator Muammar Gaddafi does something that flies in the face of international law. Gaddafi's claim was a direct challenge to the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, which limits territorial waters to just 12 nautical miles from shore. But Ronald Reagan wasn't interested in diplomacy. He ordered a freedom of navigation exercise right through the disputed zone. August 18th, the first day of exercises, Libyan jets scramble repeatedly, nearly 40 sorties in a single day. Each time they turn back when American radar locks onto them. But the next morning, everything changes. Two Libyan Su-22 Fitters take off from Gaddafi Air Base, near Sirte. They're Soviet-made variable sweep wing fighter bombers, outdated compared to the Tomcat, but still dangerous. And they're heading straight for the Americans. The F-14S, close to within visual range. Both Su-22s fly past the Americans, then split.
Miles now, that's all I've got. He appears to be turning a little bit left, giving us a left aspect. I mean, single target track. 14 miles, 21,000.
The leader turning northwest, the wingman turning southeast toward the Libyan coast. Then, it happens.
Two fitters is shot at my leader. This is we've been fired at. Fitters, I have a left side. Pick guys up.
The Su-22 wingman fires an AA-2 atoll missile directly at the lead Tomcat. Fast Eagle 102 breaks hard. The missile misses. But now, it's a fight. And the Americans have the advantage. The lead Tomcat pilot pulls a tight turn and gets a Sidewinder tone. He fires. The missile slams into the Libyan leader. Fire, debris, an ejection seat. Seconds later, the second Tomcat locks onto the wingman. Another Sidewinder. Another kill. 60 seconds. From the first missile launch to the second kill. The first time F-14S had scored an air-to-air victory for the United States. The first Navy air combat confrontation since the Vietnam War. The official Navy report stated that both Libyan pilots ejected and were safely recovered. But the audio recording tells a different story. One of the F-14 pilots can be heard saying he saw a Libyan pilot eject and his parachute failed to open. Two Libyan jets, one American patrol, 60 seconds of fury over the Mediterranean. That was the Gulf of Sidra incident, and it changed naval aviation forever.